one. Hey guys, what's up? It's Tobias here with Dominic. But I'm not always gonna be here. It's usually just gonna be Dominic. So.
But don't worry, he's gonna. But don't worry, I'll just put him on the phone so then then just join.
You guys can hear me on the phone. Go ahead.
And when this video's done, leave in the comments below if there's anything we could do to improve our video.
Oh no. We can't.
Dude, what happened?
I don't know.
Where are you?
I am right up here. I'm trying to climb.
It's
Dominic, we're on the same server, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just looking for you. Dude, earthquake!
Yep. We're on the same one. What?
Dude, mine just stop moving.
Mine didn't. It's probably because it's glitched out.
Oh, come on.
Roblox. And if you guys could give us some Robux, that'd be really nice. Because, as you can see, we're no skins.
Oh, and we joined this group yesterday.
Fire Nation. So if you could join Preston Plays group too, that'd be nice of you. So, and we go subscribe to Preston Plays. That'd be really great of you. So, thank you. But the video's not done. We still gotta survive.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What
happened?
I am definitely a survivor.
What happened?
He's gonna. You just died.
I just overjumped.
Like, how could you overjump?
I jumped it, and then.
Did you double jump or something? I fell out the game!
Wait, did you fly up? I saw someone fly
that
up.
Was my
That
body!
was you?
Yeah! That was me, Tobias.
I'm trying to keep my hair out. Oh, there was only one survivor.
Oh, that sucks.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you, Tobias? I want to shake my butt in your face.
Right over there. So, if you guys could,
I survived! Tobias jumped, so he fell.
You did not survive.
I'm a survivor.
I didn't see you survive.
I'm the younger one.
I'm a loser. Yeah.
And everybody knows youngers are way smarter than older.
Sure. That's so true. Yeah, it's Josh. So make sure to go friend him, because I did. And I am one of Preston Plays friends. So.
He's just playing on my computer. He's not telling the truth.
Sure. I bought this computer for you.
Actually, my mom did, so.
Whatever, Dominic.
My dad.
Whatever. Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna go into. Meet me at the boys' bathroom.
I'm in the What is wrong with you?
What? It just sounded like a good idea.
Dominic, look, I just got hit by lightning.
You got.
What are the possibilities for this?
So now you're gonna watch his boring stuff while the whole school gets invaded. And I'm just gonna be in the boys' room. Boys' restroom.
What's up, girl?
Oh, hello. Are you a fellow boy or my name is
I'm a YouTuber.
You're not a YouTuber if you don't use YouTube. It's a rule. I just got hit. Dude, look what just happened. Look what just happened, Tobias. I was in this restroom. Guys, look what restroom I was just in. I'm leaving. Okay.
His real name is Dominic.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
My real name is Tobias Ballard.
My name is Tobias Ballard.
His
Go look me up. I'm actually famous.
His name is Ani Loves LOL's
No,
name.
that is my sister's name because she loves.
His name is Charita.
That's Natalie's name.
His name is Professor Poopy Pants.
That's Professor Poopy Pants' name. What the fudge?
Where are you? Tobias, meet me at the top, okay?
Atomic Wasp.
Meet me at the top of the building, alright? See you over there.
I just fell. I see you now.
Where?
There's this guy that's super tall, and I wanna be tall, but I chose the regular one, so.
It just makes him look ugly.
I know. Dominic, dude, that could be a viewer right there. You're disgusting. There's a guest, the last guest. I feel sad for him. I'm trying to break the glass.
You suck!
I'm jumping on the volcano. Dominic, I'm jumping on the volcano. Go.
I just have to go downstairs.
No! I died.
And
I almost
if
died.
anybody would like to see my video, yeah.
His videos are bad.
Well, you're mostly gonna be seeing me.
No, I'm not gonna be able to make this jump.
That's because you don't have enough life.
No.
You need to at least be near full life to make it.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you do.
You're such a little liar, you know that?
Losers have to lose.
Like you. Dominic, a thing
Well, you already lost.
Dom.
Yeah.
A thing just flew up and it's in the
I'm
in the starting position now.
I'm going into the volcano.
Dominic! I just jumped into the volcano.
Jump into it. Wait, I see you.
Dominic, jump into it.
I am. So I tried to make it to a different part of the volcano so I could see you. All right?
I'm not on top. Okay, I'm on top now. Do you see me? Ah!
Oh, Tobias, I saw you jumping down.
I died.
Winner! Don't see 9.
Do you want to play another game?
Sure.
Like Murder Mystery?
Yeah, let's just think about it.
Let's play Murder Mystery.
I mean,